Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your in-game language on the Detroit Become Human game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Detroit Become Human on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your in-game language, you will need to go into the fourth option from the homepage. Now, if you have not started a new game yet, then this will be the third option, counting from the left. After going into options, go into the middle option, which is the languages tab. From here, in order to change the in-game language, you will need to use the second menu. Just use the up or down arrow keys to cycle through the various different languages available. You will see the languages change in real time, and once you choose your desired language, you can simply press the escape button to apply your changes. This change will also be applied to your subtitles. When you press the escape button, you will be asked whether you would like to keep your changes. Click on the yes button, and now your chosen language has been applied to your game. In order to change this back at any point of time, go to the second option counting from the right from the homepage, and then the middle option, and from the second tab you can choose your desired language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Detroit Become Human game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.